Today's special Manchurian with fried rice. Grate cabbage, grate carrots, grate cauliflower, also grate ginger and garlic. Now add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Add 2 tablespoons of refined flour. After adding grated ginger and garlic, add salt according to your taste. I have added 2 teaspoons of salt and 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Rest the mixture for at least 5 minutes. Now give it the shape of small balls. After that, fry Manchurian balls in medium hot oil. Crispy Manchurian balls are just fried. You can also deep fry it if you like more crispy. For Manchurian gravy, in a vessel add 2 tablespoons of oil. Heat it on medium flame, then add grated ginger and garlic. Add 1 small cup of chopped onions. Fry them. Then add 1 small cup of grated cauliflower and cook it on medium flame. Add 1 small cup of grated carrots. So add 1 small cup of grated cabbage. Add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. Then add 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. I have also added 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Add 2 cups of water. Let it boil on medium flame. I have also added corn flour slurry in it, which I have made by adding 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of water. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. When the consistency becomes slightly thick, now add Manchurian balls in it. In a vessel, add 6 cups of water, then add clove, star anise, cinnamon stick in it. Let it boil on medium flame, then add a teaspoon of salt. Now add a cup of rice in it and let it boil. Also add a tablespoon of cooking oil in it and let them cook on medium flame. Now parboiled rice are just ready. For fried rice, heat about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, add grated ginger garlic in it, cook it. Then add 1 small bowl of peas in it. Then add some veggies in it, which includes onion, cabbage, cauliflower, tomato, carrots, and cook them. Stir fry them, then add rice in it. Mix them gently. Now fried rice are also ready in minutes. It looks so delicious. Manchurian with fried rice are ready to serve. I have garnished them with spring onions. If you really like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Isha YouTuber and press the bell icon for latest notifications. Thanks for your support. Stay tuned. In the end, I will like to say that I will come with many more recipes.